Hi children, good morning. Okay, in the last class we have seen the child's struggle, right? Its change. Now we are going to see and we are going to know about the great personality Sustrita, the ancient plastic surgeon. Okay, children? Okay, so who was Sustrita? Who was Sustrita, children? Susruta was a physician in ancient India, known today as the father of Indian medicine and the father of plastic surgery, for inventing and developing surgical procedures. Okay, children. Susruta was the father of Indian medicine and the father of plastic surgeon. Okay, children. And his place of birth is Kingdom of Kasi. Okay, the Mahabharata, an ancient Indian epic text, represents him as a son of Vishwamitra. He was known for his pioneering operations and techniques and for influential treatise. Okay, children, see that his qualities. One is the father of Indian medicine and the father of plastic surgery, and he is the father of Indian medicine treatise also. Okay, so he influenced the medical field a lot. Okay, reconstructive surgery techniques were being carried out in India in 800 BC. When children? 800 BC before Christ. And Susruta was physician who made important contributions to the field of plastic and cataract surgery in 6th century BC. So what is today's now what is the year, children? 2020, right? But this plastic surgery and cataract surgery were done in 6th century BC. That is the greatness of India, children. Okay, now we see about him in the lesson. We go to the lesson now. It was midnight when Susita was awakened by a frantic knocking at the door. Who is out there? Asked the aged doctor, taking a lighted torch from its socket in the wall and approaching the door. Am a traveler, revered Susruta, was the anguished reply. A tragedy has befallen me. I need your help. Okay. So, what was the time, children, here? It was midnight. So he was awakened. He woke up in the midnight. Why? Because of there was a frantic knocking at the door. Frantic means what, children? So generally you knock the door normally, right? Frantic means here in fear or in anxiety or in any other emotions. How you knock, right? Very fastly, very loudly, right? So with this pain or in fear, he was knocking the door. So here the aged doctor asked that who was out there, and he took a lighted torch from its socket in the wall. So he took a torchlight, okay, and then approaching the door. That means he was coming near the door. Coming near the door. Okay, and so other side, what was the reply? I am a traveler, my reward Susuta. Who was there out other side? He was a traveler. And here the word reward. Reward means, see, if you are giving any speech, anything, what do you say? Respected principal sir, respected teachers, or dignitaries. So we use some words to show our respect. So here the reward is also a word to show the feel deep respect and admiration to him. So he said, reward Sushruta was anguished. I replied, anguished means what, children? So, how he spoke? Anguished reply. So, he was in a severe pain. Anguished means severe mental or physical pain or suffering. Okay, so if you somewhere you fell down, so you are getting pain. So, how you speak? Happily or with pain? Yeah. So, here the traveler also suffering from a physical pain or mental pain. We see that what happened there. Okay, and a tragedy has befallen me. I need your help. A tragedy means an event causing great suffering, right? Or great pain. We say that that is a tragedy, leave of that. Sometimes we use the word tragedy, right? Yeah. And next, we see here, and he said that I need your help. So, whose help he need? He need ancient surgeon Susruta. Okay, so he came here. Now, Susruta opened the door. What he was? A man kneeling before him, tears flowing from his eyes and blood from his disfigured nose. Get up, my son, and come in, said Sushruta. Everything will be all right, but be quiet now. So Sushruta went and opened the door. He was seeing there the man was kneeling before him. So the tears are flowing from his eyes. He could see that, and the blood from his disfigured nose. So it was a bleeding. That means the blood is running from his nose. It was disfigured nose. Disfigured means it was there is no a shape of proper shape of nose, right? So probably he was a traveler. So when he was traveling on his way, he might have met with an accident. Okay, so he wounded very badly, and then he rushed to the doctor, who was the surgeon Susuta. Okay, he came here, and so seeing that, Susruta said that, get up, my son, come in. Okay, so he said, Susruta, and he said that whatever, what is it? Everything will be all right. So need not to worry. So there he has given that mental support. Everything will be all right. Okay, so need not to worry. So he had given that first the mental support and then be quiet now. So be quiet means what, children? Be quiet means cooperation. He needs only cooperation. If he cooperated with the surgeon, he could do something. Yes or no, children? Yes. Okay. And now we see that one.